Hello there friends, and welcome to another video on how to create a Parallax WordPress theme. This might be the last video for a while in this series, but I will update this series every now and then if I find some interesting plugins or projects to add to this page. But in this video, I'll just add a Google Fonts because I think the fonts is a little bit boring, the standard fonts for WordPress. So I will update it, see if I can find a cool font on Google Fonts. All right, so as you can see, I'm on the website at the moment, my local host, and as you can see, the font here. So I'm gonna update the font. I'm gonna use the same font all over the website. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Google Fonts. So just search for Google Fonts, and there's Google Fonts, and let's see if we find something cool here. There's like around 1,000 different fonts to choose from, so I'm just gonna see what's up here. I've been using Roboto a couple of times in some of projects. Oh, Sriracha. I don't know, you guys like spicy food? I do like spicy food, but it's a little bit difficult to eat sometimes. Actually, I thought I was good at eating spicy food, but then I met some Koreans, and they cooked some Korean dishes for me, and yeah, that was spicy. So since then, I'm not sure I can say if I can say I'm good at eating spicy food. That was a tough one. Um, what else do we have here? Montserrat is pretty common, I think. And let's see. Well, this one's look pretty futuristic. Let's see. Uh, let's see. Mm, Oswald. Let's just go with this one here. Oswald. It looks pretty cool, right? So what you do here is when you find your font, you can just hit the plus sign here to select it, and now you selected one font. So what you do here is for WordPress, all we need to do is copy the actual URL here, HTTPS, all the way down to the end of swap. So let's just copy this, and in our file structure, we're going to need two files. We're going to need two files. So first, let's go to our enq.php file. And in here, we are going to add another style script. So I'm just going to do down here, bp enq underscore style, and then an ID for this. So I'm just going to do custom Google font, and then the actual URL that we copied. So it's the whole one, HTTPS Oswald, all the way back here to swap. And then we can add, if you want, we can add a false value because there's nothing else that's needed there. Let's semicolon at the end. Save this. The thing is, we're gonna do now is we're gonna add this one to our CSS file, just like normal. So in the body tag, just be everything here in the body. Yeah, or oh, let's try that. Maybe do an HTML instead. But if we go back to our Google Fonts, so it's this one here, font family. So let's copy and paste, and let's paste it in there in our style sheet. Let's go back to our front end and let's hit refresh. So as you can see, we got a new font down here, so it's taking effect already. So you can see what it looks like. It looks pretty cool. I think I like it. I do like it, I must say. Right, so that's pretty much it for this video. This is a lot shorter than my normal videos, and as I said, this will be the last video in this series for a while. But I will update this series every now and then with uh, some cool plugins, or if I want to add something that could benefit the website. So you will be seeing this website again. Be sure of that. But that's it for now. Thank you so much for watching and following along. And if you do something cool with this theme as a template, feel free to leave a link in the comments, and I will sure take a look. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next.